Gina with WTI. I bet you're wondering if you get this Viante electric kettle, if you'll end up using the tea infuser that comes with it. I am a huge tea drinker and I love having the option of being able to brew myself some loose leaf tea right inside the kettle. Now, I'm someone that drinks around 28 ounces of tea every single morning, and this works perfectly for that. I not only love the tea infuser functionality, but also that it has a warmer on it. This is such an improvement from the last kettle that I had. I love that I can select one of the functions, 200 degrees or less, click the keep warm button and then the start button. This is perfect for me because I'm at home working or doing other things, and I can simply come back and pour myself a new cup of tea every time I want one. And it's kind of like having a coffee pot for me, but just with tea. I love that it boils water super fast, and it works really well for my husband as well because he likes instant coffee. Of course, you don't have to use the tea infuser that comes with it. That is just a really nice perk of this particular kettle. This is really simple to use. The lid comes off very easily, and you can even just pour water into it through the pour spout in the front if you don't want to take the lid off. This is solid, well built, and I just love using it every single day. This tea kettle from Viante is perfect for all my tea drinking needs, and I drink tea constantly. I really love it, and that's my point of view.